The Angels, and Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with day 3 of the No New November Junk Journal Challenge. And this is all the supplies that I'll need. Let's move this out. Put the next projects in here. And now we can get started with this one. I have my glue, I have my scissors, put those up there, and today we need a magazine so we can make some pages for the junk journal. And I chose this one. It's a Marvel type themed, the ultimate guide to Batman. So I'm gonna get some pages out of here, which we'll get this one. This one. This one out of this one. Okay. Then I'll be right there, guys. I'm getting some more magazines. Okay. Not that one. So we're going to get some more pages out of this one. Right here. I'm just going randomly. They're going to have to be straightened out a bit, but that's okay. We're going to go this one. This one. This one. Let's see. These two. And I think that's going to be it for this one. Okay. That's it for that one. Now we're going to go through this one. Try to get some that doesn't have recipes on it, like these two. Okay. Let's check the back and see what we have on the back. Oh no, we can't go back there. This is all recipes. So, I'm gonna get these two. Well, we can't get this page because there's a recipe on it, so we'll get this one. And I think that'll be enough pages. So now, I want to even them all out. On this side. So I'm going to get my trimmer. I'm going to go right up to the second or third line here. I'm going to make sure they're even. To keep them even, I am going to go here. I'm going to go up to the third line. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 here. Whoops. And just trim it like so. And I want to make sure I have all my pages the same length and width. So what I'm going to do is get the next 3 pages and make sure they're all even. And do that. Well, oops. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is take, let me see here. Well, that's going to be perfect right there. I'm just going to take these and line it up. Like so. Okay. And we're all even there. So next 3, or I'm going to try to get all of these. That way I'm done all at the same time with it all. Okay, so I'm going to put these all together. And then clip these all together. I'm going to go up to the top sheet to the edge of it and cut all of this out. Okay, so I know it's all going to be nice and even, and they're all going to be the same size. Okay, put that to the side. See, easy peasy, right? Now we're going to put this back for now because we may need it again. And we're going to take all of these and we're going to fold them. First, what I want to do, so I know that I've done day 3, is I'm going to mark off day 3. Okay, so I'm going to take them and fold them like so. I'm going to do that to every single one. Now these videos like this won't have pictures at the end until the final product is done. Okay, so y'all won't see no photos at the end of my videos until the final product is finished. I have a live with this tomorrow. Well, yeah, Thursday, the 4th, I have a live to work on the next prompt. So I don't know how it's gonna work with the prompt game, but we'll figure that out. That one, with a few more to go. What I'm doing is I'm putting them up to my finger, and then I'll take my fingers and hold it. See, I shouldn't have moved my fingers. I put it up to my fingers, and then I'll hold it, and then I just spread my other fingers out, and then once it's folded the way I want it, I'm good to go. That's the reason you see my fingers the way they are. Now I'm going to take my hand. First, I'm going to pull this way. That's done. I can take my hand, and that's all she wrote. A few more. We got 3 more to go, I think. After this one, it's no recipe. Okay. So that's that one. That one. And that one. So we have prompt 3 ready to go. So this is prompt 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I keep track of all my stuff from doing this, okay? I have this envelope here. I'm going to put everything in here and put it for, I'm going to print another one of these out. I'm going to stick this right in here, like so, the one I print out. And it's going to have everything that I've made so far to go with this challenge. So the only thing I'm missing is my other pages I made with my envelopes. So, and I will link that video somewhere up here. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be blessed, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.